Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Runge-Kutta method of fourth order in numerical method. Aim: to solve dy by dx equal to f of x comma y given y of x naught equal to y naught. So the working rule: to solve dy by dx equal to f of x comma y of x naught equal to y naught. So y of x naught plus h equal to y of x naught plus y of h, that is delta y value is 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4, where k1 equal to formula h into f of x naught comma y naught, k2 equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2, and k3 equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2, and k4 equal to h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. Now y1 equal to y naught plus delta y, where delta y equal to formula 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. For example, apply the fourth order Runge-Kutta method to find y of 0.2. Given that y dash equal to x plus y with the initial condition that y of 0 equal to 1. Solution: here h is not mentioned in this question, so we take h equal to 0.1. So y dash equal to x plus y comma y of 0 equal to 1. Therefore, f of x comma y equal to x plus y comma x naught equal to 0 and y naught equal to 1. So x1 equal to 0.1 and x2 equal to 0.2. By fourth order Runge-Kutta method, formula y1 equal to y naught plus delta y, that is y naught, that is y of x naught plus delta y is 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. Then we write k1 and k2 formula. K1 equal to h into f of x naught comma y naught, and k2 equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2, and k3 formula. Now k1 equal to h into f of x naught comma y naught equal to h into f of x naught comma y naught. Given f of x comma y is x plus y, replace x by x naught and y by y naught. So h into x naught plus y naught equal to h value 0.1 into x naught value 0 plus y naught value 1 equal to, so the answer is 0.1. Then find k2 value. K2 equal to formula h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2. Now substitute the values. H equal to 0.1 into f of x naught value is 0 plus h by 2, that is 0.1 by 2 comma y naught value 1 plus k1 by 2. K1 value is 0.1 divided by 2. So therefore equal to 0.1 into f of 0.05 comma 1.05. The next step is 0.1 into, here the form is f of x comma y, f of x comma y is x plus y. Now substitute x equal to 0.05 and y equal to 1.05. So add the values, we get the answer 0.11. So therefore k2 equal to 0.11. Next, to find k3 value. So k3 equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2. Now substitute all the values, h value, x naught value and y2 value and k2 value. we see 0.1 into f of 0.05 comma 1.055. So this is the form of f of x comma y. Then add x and y value. Final answer is 0.1105. Find K4 value. K4 equal to h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus K3. H value is 0.1 into f of x naught plus h, that is 0.1 comma y naught plus K3 value is 1.1105. So the final answer is 0.12105. Next we have to find out delta y value. So delta y equal to 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2 K2 plus 2 K3 plus K4. Now substitute all the values in this formula. So 1 by 6 into 0.1 plus 2K2 0.22 plus 2K3 value 0.2210 plus K4 value 0.12105. So the answer is 0.110341667. Next find y of 0.1 equal to y1 equal to formula y naught plus delta y. Write y naught value plus delta y value. So the answer is 1.110342. Now starting from x1 y1 we get x2 y2. Again apply Runge-Kutta algorithm replacing x0 comma y0 by x1 comma y0 y1. Again applying the same procedure, K1 equal to h into f of x1 comma y1. For the second point, x0 and y0 replaced by x1 comma y1. Substitute h value, x1 and y1 value. See the answer 0.1210342. Next K2. So K2 equal to formula h into f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k1 by 2. Now substituting the value, h value 0.1 into f of x1 plus h by 2 is 0.15 comma y1 plus k1 by 2 is 1.170859 equal to 0.1 into, this is the form of f of x comma y. So f of x comma y equal to x plus y, x value is 0.15 plus y value is 1.170859. So the final answer is 1.3208. Next to find K3 value. So K3 equal to formula h into f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2. Substitute h value 0.1 into f of x1 plus h by 2 is 0.15 and y1 plus k2 by 2 is 1.1763848. So 0.1 into, this is the form of f of x comma y, x value is 0.15 plus y value is 1.1763848. So the final answer is 0.132638848. Next to find K4 value. K4 equal to h into f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k3. H value is 0.1 into f of x1 plus h is 0.2, y1 plus k3 is 1.24298048. After simplifying, we get the results 0.144298048. So therefore, y of 0.2 equal to y of 0.1 plus delta y value. So the answer is 1.2428055. Therefore, y of 0.2 equal to 1.2428, correct to 4 decimal places. Thank you.